try to collaborate all things, maybe in the field science, algebra and analysis, and applied mathematics. We have many topics that my college do the research, and from the biostatistics, study for business and industry, maybe in the science about the big data. So data scientist is part of the tool of statistics and finance. That's usually that we always think that our money creating grows very fast. That's the best thing to invest our money. And finally, in actual science, we think about what we did for researcher or scientist is try to reduce the risk of life. It's maybe about food security, about maybe about earthquake, everything, just to reduce the risk. But actually, we cannot go to the zero risk. Always, after we try to create the method to understand about the earthquake, about the climate change, about everything, still there is risk, especially about financial risk. So when then I to be here today, try to provide the idea why we try to reduce the climate change. Maybe my colleague this morning in the another rooms in the atmospheric science. How about to handle the problem of the impact of climate change? Because this about security, health, and maybe about the life. Because climate change maybe the length of life getting shorter or something. Okay, and so I maybe better to go. What's here the problem? I think is the same as the before presentation. The problem in Indonesia about the productivity of topic is declining very fast, and the problem because of that. But one point, it is at 2012. Maybe no, it's getting bigger. But this problem, and so we should yeah. Other than with the problem in the climate change. So maybe before okay, in this okay, in the last actually there's to understand the problem here, there's many research how to reduce the risk from the climate change, especially in the cropping. That my some research with my colleague try to modify the cropping calendar. But after we adjust the cropping calendar from the traditional, that's maybe one 10th century, maybe very long in the past. Using I think with based on the moon. But after in the recent it is I think the cropping pattern is not fit again. So try to be changed. So there's some of my research that presented with my colleagues in this morning. So the next problem after we have maybe the accurate cropping calendar, but it doesn't mean there's no risk again. Because nature is very difficult to understand. Also, maybe all researchers try to understand the nature, but nature is still stochastic, something that's gonna be all can be can understand. So by that, we try to propose the idea. So be this for financial risk, we transfer to the insurance industry. Because in Indonesia, many farmers sell the farmland because of loan, maybe because of failed cropping, and then try to there's no money and then sell. Or they go to another city to get money, then back again to the city to farm again. But this is the problem. So when then the farmer to be protected by the insurance is to when there is a problem, maybe the cropping is failed, so the money can pay because got the money from the insurance and start again the see that here this, we set the weather index-based insurance. But indeed, this today I will solve based on the rainfall, not actually can be from the temperature on detail. Okay, actually there's the problem here should be we choose the parameter that correlate to the possibility the loss of the crop productivity. In this insurance, we do not need the infield assessment. Why the farmer in Indonesia is not so happy with the crop insurance? Because to get the claim or whatever should be checked with the in the farmland. Is it possible to get the claim? This is the infield assessment. But if we're using the weather index, we do not need the infield assessment. Is this the good idea to the farmer that they think this better than if after this assessment then okay you will got the money because of your fair cropping. So this is about rainfall. If the normal that's in the yellow line is the I think we if we can stabilize that, so we are happy, yes. Or when there is enough water to crop for cropping for life, but sometimes the rainfall is getting very becomes very high and make it problem. You have to make much water and or go to the drought. Just go to the usually the genetic plant because too much water supply. So the researchers just try to anticipate what happen if there is trouble by that and try to reduce the risk. Okay, the idea in the pricing of index-based crop insurance using the design as effective method is actually this idea is come from the finance area. Maybe if you have heard about derivative or option theory there. Okay, so the idea is about the proof of that. This the normal rainfall that we need. If there is decrease where it goes to this area, this means the problem with our rice plant. So that in the idea, we're not waiting till this at the end here. If the rainfall amount is hit this barrier, so we can got that money earlier before the contract is maturity. So this the idea that because sometimes farmer maybe in this time have problem because all things that is plant is maybe disappeared because of not enough water. So we can got money here. This is the good idea. We say actually the idea from special option in my capital market is the Indonesian option sale because in Indonesia it's very special. So usually using the standard option is not so interesting or access. So usually there is a modification. So I try to this idea bring to the crop insurance. So we got money that, so the idea is the pricing here is because we pay here at zero, so this bring to the present value here. Is the idea of pricing the first the based on the rainfall index. Okay, this the maybe I will go further. This the example with the some district in Yogyakarta. That's very dry. And here we use the three possibility. We did the if partner that is if the probability that the rainfall amount is less than 63 is in 10 days. The probability is 10, is 25, is 45. The optimal barrier to be we sure that will hit and will got the money is be using the homotopy analysis to get this value. Okay, what is the price? So if we use the benefit here 37, we just pay 0.0077. But if we got more, so we pay more. This based on the rainfall in millimeter. It's just timed by the money. Maybe we need 1 per millimeter is maybe $100 or 1 million. So we just time for 1 millimeter with a certain amount of money. Okay, that's my presentation. I hope you enjoy and finish discussion. Okay.